Here we have two types of drills. A standard drill with a cord and a cordless drill. Inside the box you are going to find the drill, one extra battery and a charging device. You have to inspect the machinery before using. See if there is any cracks, there is any wires, and also you have to check the battery. For replacing the battery, you have to press the black button that is in front of the battery and slide it out. There are different buttons and knobs in the drill. In the back side you have a button with a number 2 and a number 1. This is the speed selector. Number 1 is for screwing, number 2 is for drilling. You have also the selection rings that goes from 1 till 15. This is the torque. And then there is also the drill bit symbol, that's for drilling. Next to the trigger we have a button that is the selector of the rotation, right or left. In the standard drill we do exactly the same thing. Inspect the tool before using for any cracks or broken wire. Next to the trigger we have a selection lever for right or left. Different type of drill bits. This is a metal drill bit. This is a wood only drill bit. This is a screwdriver head. Metal drill bit is used for metal, of course, but also all other type of soft materials like wood or plastic. Wood drill bits are only used for wood. Remember that. How to install the drill bit in a cordless drill. The cordless drill is operated by hand. Loose and tighten like so. Place the drill bit inside the jaws and tighten the head. Always leave a minimum of 5 mm between the end of the twist of the drill bit and the base of the jaws. Tighten. This is the force selector. For drilling you have to put it in a drill icon and speed number 2. Remember to select the correct direction. The trigger is a responsive trigger, so more you press, the faster it goes. In a conventional drill, in this case we have a tool that comes with. It's the same principle. For loosening the jaws, we twist to the left. For closing the jaws, we twist to the right. Remember to leave all the time a minimum of 5 mm between the last twist of the drill bit and the base of the jaws. Insert the tightening tool in one of the holes and turn to the right to tight. Make sure that goes in all the holes and tight little by little. Remember to plug the core before using the conventional drill. Also, choose the correct direction that you want. Both of these drills have a sensitive trigger. More you press, the main difference between these two drills is that the cordless drill you can use it for drilling and screwing. The conventional drill is only used for drilling. We're going to put a hole in this beautiful piece of pine. Always remember to use your gloves before using the drills. Secure the piece of wood in a bench jaw or vise. In this case, I'm going to use the cordless drill and a wood drill bit. I install the drill bit. I tighten it by hand. Select the drill icon and the speed number 2. Remember to put both of the hands on the drill, one pushing, one with the trigger, and push down. You press the trigger for drilling and press the trigger again to remove the drill bit. Now we are going to screw two pieces of wood together. We need a screwdriver head, a 3mm drill bit, in this case is a metal drill bit, and few screws. We are going to tighten everything with a quick clamp. We place the two pieces of wood together and press it with a quick clamp against the table. Make sure that it's tight. Once everything is secured, we install the drill bit inside the cordless drill. Remember to leave a minimum of 5mm between the end twist of the drill bit and the base of the jaws. Again, for drilling, we choose the drilling icon and speed number 2. We press the trigger to drill, we press the trigger to remove the drill bit. Now we are ready to install the screwdriver head. Very important to change the settings when you are screwing. In this case, speed number 1 and number 15. Go slowly where you are screwing and apply all the time force against the piece of wood. This is a drill press. The drill press is a combination of a drill and a press. It has a table that can be moved up and down. Also, the table can tilt. It has an on and off button in front of the machine. The principle is exactly the same as the conventional drill. You place the drill bit inside the jaws by twisting the head. Remember to leave a distance between the end of the twist of the drill bit and the base of the jaws. Use the tool to tighten the drill bit. Place your piece of wood, but we have a problem here. We can see that the press doesn't reach the material. We have to raise the table. For raising the table, you have to lose the locking knob and turn the lever. Leave a distance of 10 to 15 millimeters. Tighten the locking knob. Open the switch. Place one hand at all the time in the material that you are drilling and the other hand in the press lever. Go slowly. Do not rush the drill. When you are done, press the red cap. And always remember, for drilling you have to wear your safety goggles and your gloves.